I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make an Assetto server. So first off, we're going to make our way to the settings tab. We're going to go down to this content manager tab over here, and then under appearance, down here we want to make sure that this server tab is ticked. I'm going to go up to that tab. If you don't already have some templates, you can create one, so bam. We're going to go to the main tab. You can pick whatever map you want, so over here. You can also pick our cars, so put a whole bunch of 1Ms in there. I'm at 5 1Ms, so first off we want to make sure that we have enough slots for those cars. Then we can hit save. Over here we can mess with the rules, ABS, TC. I like to turn virtual mirror off because it forces it on. Fuel rate, damage rate, tire wear rate, all this jazz. Then you can go to conditions, change the time up if you want it nighttime, daytime. Over here we can mess with our practice, qualify, and race. Turn these two guys off. Set practice to the max. What I like to do is have it some absurd number. It usually will find itself. Hold on. Oh, it gave us 61 days. Okay, so that works. Sometimes that doesn't work though, so I'm going to leave it to 1 hour 30. Advanced, you can leave this stuff alone. That's if you want your server to be all fancy, has some cool plugins and whatnot. So once we're done with this, we can run our server. It should autosave, and then we can stop our server. Now, if we want to actually play on our server, go to server CFG in this folder tab over here, and then we're going to go find register to lobby. We're going to turn that 1 into a 0, save it, and close out all that. Now we can run it, and under our drive tab, if we go to online, LAN, we should see our server. So it's an old server. And refresh that, we'll see our server here. And then we can hit join, and bam, it'll let us in. Bam. Keyboard and mouse right now, but cool. We're on our server, and then when we go over here in our log, you can see that we joined our server. So bam. And that is how you make a LAN server for Assetto Corsa.